Here I have ALCATEL U3, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So firstly, you have to, the first method, you just open your phone application, then you open keyboard and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and as you can see here you have IMEI 1 and also IMEI 2. And the second method, you have to open settings, then go to the about phone section, status, and here you can find in IMEI information you have your IMEI 1 and also IMEI 2, and here you have your device serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.